This little video is just to show you in a little bit more detail the potential of damage that could be on a used shipping container that you purchase, and why it's really important to understand that within the shipping container industry there's no standard for grading shipping containers. So this container next to me here has got significant damage all the way along the length of the container. I'm going to try and get a little bit closer, but in essence what happens is this container has been bent, buckled or torn by the goods in the container, or maybe by a forklift or a truck or an accident, and we've had to cut away, or somebody's had to cut away panels and weld in new sides. So you can see down here that this whole piece has been replaced. Now this doesn't actually affect the size of the container or the quality of the container, but you do have to be aware that this kind of thing does happen and is on used shipping containers. If you really don't want any damage to your container, if you don't want any dents, scrapes or rust, you could consider purchasing a better grade container. You could consider a one-way trip container, which is a container that was built new, shipped here, emptied and then put on the open market, or you could give your container a respray. There are lots of options there for you. If you'd like to find out more about buying a used shipping container for storage, visit our website www.containersfirst.com.au or give our team a call on 1300 556 991.